Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all people around the world. So I'm gonna show you how you gonna cook the egg very healthy, over easy. They call it here in America over easy cooking eggs. Here you go. I'm using Saladmaster cooking. I'm using the 12 inches electric skillet of Saladmaster. It's off already. Why? I only heat up the Saladmaster EOC. So heating up for 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I put the egg. After I put the egg from the shell, I have to turn it off. So I turn it off when reach the 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 220 degrees Celsius. And here you go, guys. So over easy. You don't have to flip up your eggs. So this is for my hubby because that's his favorite. And this is the bottom of the breakfast I prepare. Lettuce, cucumber, and tomatoes and sweet pepper. So that's how I prefer the healthy breakfast for him because he doesn't have a time to eat in the morning. It's almost lunchtime already. So see, guys, it doesn't stick. You have to close the lid so your egg over easy don't stick. No oil. And if you wanna see the bottom, see, guys, the bottom, it's not even. This is my husband like it over easy it. So see, guys, it's not hard. It's not well done. It's just over easy. See, guys, it doesn't stick. You don't have to use oil. Or if you want to make sure it doesn't really stick, you can just use a paper towel. Put a little bit drop of oil on a paper towel and just wipe it off on the EOC or any cookware. See, guys, it's not. And then just put like that. So this is his breakfast. Beautiful breakfast, guys. See, over easy. And when you put the eggs, before you close the lid of EOC or any Saladmaster cookware, you just gonna add a pinch of salt and a black pepper. You have to add black pepper for easy absorption of nutrients on your food. So this is how I do the very healthy cooking using Saladmaster cookware. See? Over easy eggs. This is my hubby's breakfast. Diba? And with vegetables and all vegetables and eggs. So protein and veggies. A very healthy meal for my darling. Yes. So yan. So complete meal for the breakfast. No rice, no need rice because we don't cook rice. Only when we have adobo, then I have to cook rice for him because he likes adobo. That's his number one Filipino food favorite. The adobo dish that especially I made it because my adobo is very different from other people cooking adobo because my adobo it cooked with coconut milk. So this is his breakfast, and maybe tomorrow I'm gonna cook adobo and I'm gonna show you also the cooking adobo in Saladmaster.